Part 12. We are going to continue with fractions and the 4 operations. You will find this on page 15 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. I want you to do for me number B, number C, number D, number I. Stop the video, and as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Try now 13. Let's start with number B. Now, number B is a subtraction sum. So what must we do if we add or subtract? We must first make it improper fractions. 1, 4, so that's 4 plus 1. That will be 5 over 4 minus 4 over 5. And the most important, you must make the denominators the same. So what will be the LCM? The LCM of 4 and 5 will be 20. So I will multiply by 5, and I like to write it in. Otherwise, you make unnecessary mistakes. This one I multiply 4, and whatever I multiply at the bottom, I also multiply at the top. Okay, then I will get 25 over 20 minus 16 over 20. And now I subtract 25 minus 16, and that will give me 9 over 20. And that's my final answer. Okay, let's see if we can do number C here. Okay, so number C is 4 3/4 divide by 9.5. This is a division sum. So what do? We first make it improper fractions. So 4 times 4, that will be 16, plus the 3, that will be 19 over 4. Divide, 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1, so it's 19 over 2. So this will be 19 over 4, multiply and take the reciprocal. What will that be? 2 over 19. And now I can cross cancel only if there's a multiplication sign. I do not make the denominators the same. So go in one time, go in one time. And if I work it out, 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 1 is 4. And if I simplify this, I divide 2, I will get a half. So the final answer will be a half. Just divide by 2, just divide by 2. Or use your calculator. 2 ABC 4 will give you a half. Okay, let's look at number D. So number D is a multiplication sum. Okay, so if I look at number D, I'm first going to make everything fractions. So I'm going to say 4, 5 over 1 multiply 2 over 9. And now I start. I can say 9 can go in 1 time, 9 can go in 5 times. And now don't make the denominators the same. Just say top times top, so 5 times 2, that will be 10. 1 times 1 is 1, so the final answer will just be 10. Okay, and now we're going to look at the final one. Let's just take another color, I. So if I look at this one, I, and this is going to be 3 and 1 over 5, divide 10 and 2 over 3, multiply 2 and a half. So if I start, first make everything in proper fractions. So 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1, so that will be 16 over 5. Divide. 10 times 3 is 30 plus 2, so it will be 32 over 3. Multiply. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, it's 5 over 2. Okay, now I will take this the division. This is the division. So take the reciprocal and make it a multiplication. So it's 16 over 5. Make it a multiply by turning this fraction around. And now it's just a multiplication. And remember, in multiplication, I can cross cancel. So 16 go in 1 time, 16 go in 2 times. I can even say this 5 go in 1, this 5 go in 1. So as long as it's a denominator with a numerator. And then my final answer will be 1 times 3 times 1, which is 3. 1 times 2 will be 4. So my final answer, let's just move it up a little bit, will be 3/4.